everyone! As you all know, due to the difficult times of the pandemic, a lot of places now have a stay-at-home order, and people have to follow it by law. As more and more people stay at home, many public transportation got disabled. Of course, people would still need to leave their homes for necessities, such as grocery shopping. For unfortunate people who can't drive their car or don't have one, they would need to turn to public transportation, which again got disabled. So for distances that require more than a typical walk, it would be really hard for them to get around. What can we do about this? There's one small vehicle that is easy to carry around and can get you places far, and that vehicle is the electric scooter. On the market, there are high-quality electric scooters, but they are usually very expensive. Yet, lower-quality electric scooters have many inconvenient aspects, like batteries running out too quickly, slow speed, and being too bulky and heavy to carry around. You know what I mean, right? So I designed this high-quality, powerful, and foldable electric scooter by using scrap materials to achieve a high-quality electric scooter with a very low cost. Hence, most of us will be able to get one. Isn't that good? This foldable e-scooter of mine, which fits for kids and adults, uses a powerful brushless motor dismantled from a scrap hoverboard. Its battery is from a used lawnmower, and its motor controller and throttle were ordered from Walmart at $9 and $7. Cheap enough, right? When put together, they work like magic. The resulting product is fast, convenient, and light-weighted. Its battery lasts very long, but most importantly, the scooter can be folded into a convenient size, which will allow us to put it in a bag and carry it around. Look at my video, and you can get some ideas from the video on how you can do the same. The video is just a goodwill for our society. If you want more details, please contact me. Okay, let's see how this scooter can be folded. Take down the seat. Also, loosen one screw nail so that the front can be folded down. The electric connections in the e-scooter are pretty easy and standard. This is the end of this video. If you have any questions, requests, suggestions, or comments, let me know. If you like this video, please support the channel by giving it a thumbs up. And you can subscribe to my channel for more videos. It's called NetsEDU. Today is May 2nd, 2021. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.